Welcome to today's video about herbs that support eye health. Right now, millions of people are losing their vision to preventable causes. Age-related macular degeneration affects over 196 million people worldwide. Glaucoma silently steals sight from 80 million individuals. Diabetic retinopathy threatens the vision of 463 million diabetics globally. But buried in decades of scientific research lies a remarkable discovery. Nature may have already provided us with powerful allies in the fight to preserve our sight. Today, we're uncovering 7 extraordinary herbs that peer-reviewed studies suggest could help protect your vision at the cellular level. These aren't ancient folklore or wishful thinking. These are compounds that researchers at prestigious institutions like Keio University, Johns Hopkins, and Harvard have been studying intensively. The results are so compelling that they're revolutionizing how we think about natural eye care. If you're new here, welcome to our journey toward better health through science-backed natural solutions. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our research-driven content. Drop a comment letting us know where you're watching from. We love connecting with our global community of health enthusiasts. Your eyes perform an astounding 36,000 operations every hour, processing light through 120 million photoreceptor cells to create the miracle of vision. But these delicate structures face constant assault from blue light, oxidative stress, inflammation, and aging. The question isn't whether your eyes will face challenges. It's whether you'll give them the protection they desperately need. Let's explore what cutting-edge research reveals about nature's most powerful vision protectors. Just a quick reminder, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Every detail shared here is verified by professional researchers with all references provided in the description. All right, let's dive into the list of herbs that can regrow eye cells. Starting with number 1, Ginkgo biloba. Let's start with one of the most extensively researched herbs for eye health, Ginkgo biloba. This remarkable tree has survived for over 250 million years, earning it the nickname living fossil. But what makes Ginkgo particularly fascinating for eye health isn't just its longevity. It's what modern research reveals about its effects on ocular blood flow and retinal protection. A groundbreaking study published in 2003 examined 27 patients with normal tension glaucoma, a condition where vision loss occurs despite normal eye pressure. After just 4 weeks of taking 40 milligrams of Ginkgo biloba extract 3 times daily, researchers observed something remarkable: improvements in pre-existing visual field damage. This was significant because conventional wisdom held that such damage was irreversible. But the research goes much deeper. Korean scientists conducted a long-term study following glaucoma patients for over 12 years. Those taking 80 milligrams of GKO extract twice daily showed significant improvements in visual field indices, particularly in the central visual field area. The mechanism appears to be GKO's ability to improve blood circulation to the retina and optic nerve while providing powerful antioxidant protection to nerve cells. Recent research published in Scientific Reports in 2023 revealed another fascinating aspect of GKO's eye benefits. Scientists discovered that Ginkgo biloba extracts can actually improve choroidal circulation, which led to suppression of myopia progression in laboratory studies. The extracts activated specific proteins that enhance blood flow to the back of the eye, providing essential nutrients to maintain healthy vision. To harness these benefits, research suggests taking 120 to 240 milligrams of standardized Ginkgo biloba extract daily, typically divided into 2 or 3 doses with meals. The extract should be standardized to contain 24% flavin glycosides and 6% terpene for optimal effectiveness. Many people report benefits within a 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use, though some studies show continued improvements over months of supplementation. Next, number 2, bilberry. During World War II, British Royal Air Force pilots reportedly consumed bilberry jam before night missions, claiming it improved their night vision. While this story has become legendary, what does modern science tell us about bilberry's effects on vision? The research is both surprising and compelling. Bilberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidant compounds that give the berries their deep purple color. These same compounds appear to have remarkable protective effects on retinal cells. A study published in Laboratory Investigation in 2012 demonstrated that anthocyanin-rich bilberry extract prevented impairment of photoreceptor cell function in laboratory models of endotoxin-induced uveitis, a type of retinal inflammation. What's particularly fascinating is how bilberry works at the cellular level. Research shows that bilberry anthocyanins prevent the breakdown of rhodopsin, the light-sensitive protein in your eyes that's crucial for night vision. The extract also suppresses inflammatory pathways in the retina while reducing oxidative stress, two major contributors to vision deterioration. The study published in Laboratory Investigation found that the extract prevented STA3 activation, which induces inflammation-related rhodopsin decrease and reduced interleukin-6 expression. Clinical research has shown promising results for several eye conditions. In a 2-year study involving patients with normal tension glaucoma, those taking bilberry anthocyanins showed improvements in visual function while the placebo group experienced worsening vision. A separate study published in the European Review for Medical and Pharmaceutical Sciences found that standardized bilberry extract improved retinal abnormalities in diabetic retinopathy patients. For optimal benefits, research suggests taking 80 to 160 milligrams of standardized bilberry extract twice daily with meals. Look for extracts standardized to contain 25% anthocyaninoids. The protective effects appear to build over time, with many studies showing progressive improvements over weeks to months of consistent supplementation. Next, number 3, green tea. You might sip green tea for its refreshing taste, but what's happening in your eyes when you drink it might surprise you. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry revealed that when laboratory animals consumed green tea extract, powerful antioxidant compounds called catechins were found throughout their eye tissues, with the highest concentrations accumulating in the retina. The most potent of these catechins is epigallocadatin golotate, or EGCG. This remarkable compound has demonstrated the ability to protect retinal cells from multiple types of damage. Studies show EGCG can shield retinal pigment epithelial cells from hydrogen peroxide damage, protect against ultraviolet light damage, and even help preserve retinal function during inflammation. What makes green tea particularly exciting for eye health is its multifaceted protection. Research published in PMC journals demonstrates that green tea catechins can reduce oxidative stress, suppress inflammatory responses, and even help prevent abnormal blood vessel growth in the retina, a process involved in conditions like diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration. A remarkable study on sodium iodate-induced retinal degeneration, a research model often used to study macular degeneration, found that green tea extract significantly protected the outer nuclear layer of the retina and reduced photoreceptor cell death. Research published in the journal Scientific Reports shows the protection can last up to 20 hours after consumption, suggesting sustained benefits throughout the day. For maximum eye protection, research indicates drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily provides beneficial levels of catechins. If you prefer supplements, studies have used 200 to 400 milligrams of green tea extract daily. To preserve the delicate catechins, brew green tea with water that's cooled slightly from boiling, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, number 4, Eyebright. The name says it all. Euphrasia officinalis, commonly known as Eyebright, has been used for eye ailments for centuries. But does this traditional use hold up to scientific scrutiny? Recent research suggests it might, particularly for inflammatory eye conditions. A controlled human study involving 65 adults with eye inflammation due to various causes, including allergies, infections, and eye strain, used eye drops containing equal amounts of Eyebright and rose extracts 3 times daily. The results were impressive. About 81% of participants experienced complete relief of eye redness, swelling, burning, and discharge within 6 to 14 days, while the remaining participants showed noticeable improvements. Laboratory research has revealed some of the mechanisms behind Eyebright's effects. Test tube studies show that Eyebright extracts help control inflammation in human corneal cells and can protect these cells from sun-related damage. The herb contains beneficial plant compounds including flavonoids like luteolin and quercetin, which have natural antihistamine properties that may help with allergic eye reactions. Interestingly, Eyebright also contains compounds called iridoids, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects. Some research even suggests Eyebright may help regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for diabetic eye complications, though more human studies are needed to confirm this effect. For eye health support, traditional use suggests preparing Eyebright tea using 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried herb per cup of hot water steeped for 5 to 10 minutes. Many people drink this tea twice daily. Standardized extracts are also available with typical doses ranging from 2 to 4 milliliters of liquid extract daily. Some practitioners recommend using cooled Eyebright tea as a gentle eye wash, though this should only be done with properly prepared sterile preparations. Next, number 5, turmeric. The golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color harbors one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, curcumin. When it comes to eye health, turmeric's effects are particularly intriguing because inflammation plays a central role in many vision-threatening conditions. Research has identified curcumin as a potent inhibitor of VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, a protein that promotes abnormal blood vessel growth in the retina. This makes turmeric particularly relevant for conditions like diabetic retinopathy and wet macular degeneration, where unwanted blood vessel growth can cause vision loss. Laboratory studies have shown that curcumin can protect against cataract formation in multiple ways. The compound's antioxidant properties help prevent the protein aggregation that leads to lens clouding, while its anti-inflammatory effects address one of the underlying causes of cataract development. Some research suggests curcumin works synergistically with vitamin E to provide even greater protection against cataract formation. What's particularly fascinating about turmeric is its potential to work at the genetic level. Studies indicate that curcumin can downregulate genes that control VEGF production, essentially addressing vision problems at their source. The compound also helps maintain a delicate balance between cellular repair processes and programmed cell death, protecting retinal cells from damage while allowing damaged cells to be safely removed. Beyond its direct effects on eye tissues, turmeric supports overall health in ways that benefit vision. The spice helps regulate blood sugar levels, supports cardiovascular health, and reduces systemic inflammation, all factors that contribute to long-term eye health. For optimal absorption and eye health benefits, research suggests taking 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin daily with a meal containing healthy fats. As curcumin is fat-soluble, many supplements combine curcumin with pepperine from black pepper, which can increase absorption by up to 2,000%. Alternatively, incorporating turmeric into cooking daily, about 1 teaspoon of the spice, provides beneficial compounds along with other synergistic nutrients from whole foods. Mixed. Number 6, grapeseed extract. The small seeds discarded when eating grapes contain one of nature's most potent sources of proanthocyanidins, antioxidant compounds that have remarkable effects on blood vessel health. For the eyes, which depend on an intricate network of tiny blood vessels, grapeseed extract offers unique protective benefits. Research has shown that grapeseed extract strengthens retinal capillaries and improves circulation to the eyes. The proanthocyanidins in grapeseed extract help stabilize collagen in blood vessel walls, making them more resistant to damage from high blood sugar, oxidative stress, and inflammation. This is particularly important for people with diabetes who face increased risk of diabetic retinopathy. Studies indicate that grapeseed extract may help prevent and slow the progression of macular degeneration by protecting the delicate blood vessels that nourish the macula. The extract's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the chronic inflammation that contributes to retinal damage, while its antioxidant effects neutralize free radicals that can damage retinal cells. What makes grapeseed extract particularly valuable is its ability to cross the blood-retinal barrier, a protective mechanism that keeps many substances from reaching retinal tissues. This means the active compounds can directly protect the cells where vision actually occurs. Emerging research also suggests grapeseed extract may have neuroprotective effects that could benefit conditions like glaucoma. The extract appears to protect retinal ganglion cells, the nerve cells that transmit visual information to the brain, from the oxidative stress and inflammation that contribute to glaucomatous damage. For eye health support, research studies have typically used 100 to 300 milligrams of standardized grapeseed extract daily, usually divided into 2 doses taken with meals. Look for extracts standardized to contain 95% proanthocyanidins for maximum potency. Benefits typically develop gradually over several weeks to months of consistent use. Next, number 7, fennel. Fennel has been treasured for eye health since ancient times, and modern research is beginning to uncover why this aromatic herb has such a lasting reputation for supporting vision. Fennel contains a unique combination of nutrients and compounds that work together to protect and nourish the eyes. The herb is rich in vitamin A and its precursors, including beta-carotene, which are essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting the regeneration of rhodopsin, the protein that allows us to see in low light conditions. Fennel also contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the lens and other eye structures from oxidative damage. What makes fennel particularly interesting for eye health is its content of flavonoids and phenolic compounds that have specific benefits for ocular tissues. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the eyes and may help slow the progression of cataracts by preventing the protein aggregation that causes lens clouding. Traditional use suggests fennel may help with eye strain and fatigue, particularly for people who spend long hours looking at screens. Some practitioners recommend fennel tea for reducing puffiness around the eyes and soothing tired, irritated eyes after long periods of visual work. Research into fennel's effects on blood sugar regulation is also relevant for eye health, as maintaining stable glucose levels is crucial for preventing diabetic eye complications. Some studies suggest fennel extract may help improve glucose metabolism, though more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. To incorporate fennel for eye health, traditional preparations include drinking fennel tea made from 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds steeped in hot water for 10 minutes, consumed 2 to 3 times daily. Fennel extract supplements are also available with typical doses ranging from 100 to 400 milligrams daily. Some people find that eating fresh fennel regularly as part of their diet provides gentle, ongoing support for eye health. Next, important considerations and safety. While these herbs show remarkable promise for supporting eye health, it's crucial to understand that they work best as part of a comprehensive approach to vision care. Regular eye examinations remain essential for detecting and treating serious eye conditions early when interventions are most effective. Quality matters significantly when choosing herbal supplements. Look for products that are standardized to contain specific amounts of active compounds, third-party tested for purity, and manufactured by reputable companies following good manufacturing practices. The concentration of active compounds can vary dramatically between different products and brands. Some herbs may interact with medications or have contraindications for certain health conditions. Biloba, for example, may increase bleeding risk in people taking blood-thinning medications. Turmeric can affect blood sugar levels and may not be appropriate for people taking diabetes medications without medical supervision. Always consult with healthcare providers before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Individual responses to herbs can vary significantly. Some people may notice benefits within weeks, while others may need several months of consistent use to experience effects. Starting with lower doses and gradually increasing can help minimize any potential side effects while allowing you to assess your individual response. The research on these herbs is promising but ongoing. While many studies show positive effects, most research has been conducted in laboratory settings or small human trials. Larger, longer-term studies are needed to fully understand the optimal doses, long-term safety, and effectiveness of these herbs for preventing